Welcome to the best remote work from home job just for you. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell because we have 5 to 7 job leads every single day here just for you. Hello and welcome to the best remote work from home job just for you. Don't forget to hit the like button for the YouTube algorithm to help other people like you find the best work from home job, and also subscribe and hit the notification bell if you want to be notified when we have brand new work from home opportunities for you. Today's work from home opportunity comes from the company Game Changing Benefits. They're looking for a virtual sales representative. It pays up to $80,000 a year. Game Changing Benefits is currently seeking motivated and effective sales professionals who are wanting to join our team in servicing the insurance and financial needs of our senior clients. If you are looking to join an industry-leading team and build an unmatched professional and financial legacy, then we are excited to meet with you regarding our virtual sales representative position, which includes unlimited earning potential. Top entry-level agents average $50,000 to $75,000, while experienced agents earn upwards of $100,000. Company-sponsored lead program, great bonus program, flexible schedules, industry-leading training and development, advancement opportunities within your first quarter. We have a lot of fun and love traveling the world together on company trips. Our agents come from diverse professional backgrounds, many of which do not have previous sales or insurance experience. Our successful agents are typically goal-oriented, sale-minded, great with client relation, possess a passion for helping others. Requirements: must have reliable high-speed internet, must have working laptop or desktop computer, must be at least 18 years old, must be able to pass a background check, must have reliable cell phone. Previous sales experience is a plus. Job types: full-time, contract. Pay $50,000 to $80,000 per year. Benefits: flexible schedule, contract type, contract, supplemental pay types, commission pay, weekly day range, Monday to Friday, work setting, remote. If you feel like this is the perfect job opportunity for you, we're going to put the link right in the description below so you can apply right away. But if not, don't worry. We're going to have multiple job leads here on this channel every single day. So if you want to keep up, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you're notified every time we have the best work from home job that's available for you. One last thing, we are going to be giving away Amazon.com gift cards to our subscribers and notified viewers starting at 10,000 subscribers here on our YouTube channel. No purchase necessary in order to participate, and if you would like to increase your chances of getting picked, don't forget to like the video for the YouTube algorithm, subscribe and hit the notification bell to get notified. Leave a comment and share so we can get to 10,000 subscribers faster and get the giveaway started if you would like to participate. It's our way to say thank you and help you on your journey to finding the best work from home opportunity available for you. Whether you're fed up with the office work lifestyle and you just want to work from home, or you're just looking for more freedom for you and your loved ones and family, work from home opportunities for you right here on this YouTube channel. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you get notified every single time we have a brand new work from home opportunity just for you.